Welcome! This video will show you how to register for a Philadelphia Business Tax Account number online using your EIN number. Currently, this can only be done using Internet Explorer. If you do not have Internet Explorer, you can download it for free on the Microsoft website. To begin, visit www.phila.gov and go to the Pay box. Select Pay and File Taxes from the drop-down box. Next, select Register for a Tax Account Number. You will now be asked for your EIN or SSN. What number you enter is dependent upon your business structure as outlined in the introductory video on registering your business online. On the next screen, you will fill out your basic contact information and identify your business structure and industry. Double-check the email and mailing address you enter. Your registration confirmation will be sent by email, and further communications after this process will be sent to your mailing address. There are 3 drop-down menus to help narrow down exactly what industry you fall under. The next 2 questions are, is your mailing address the same as your business location? And do you have any additional business locations in the vicinity? Vicinity generally means any location within 100 miles of the city. Depending on what answers you provide to those questions, you may need to complete the Addresses tab later on. If you skip any required sections, you will not be able to proceed. Should you have any questions, there is a link at the top of the page to help guide you. When finished, click Tax Types at the bottom of the screen. Next is a page listing different tax types. Depending on the information provided on the previous page, you will have several different taxes listed, of which you must check all that apply. It is also important to note that the business privilege tax and business income and receipts tax are the same tax. In 2011, the tax was renamed from business privilege to business income and receipts. Keep this in mind as you may see the tax referenced by either name. Businesses with employees must register for the wage tax. The business remits the wage tax from their employees' pay. If you do not already know what your monthly wage payments are, make an educated guess. This information is required to determine the frequency of wage tax remittance. Partnerships, sole proprietorships, and similarly structured organizations must register for the net profits tax in addition to the business income and receipts tax. Below the tax types, there are questions about the business privilege tax options. Businesses can qualify for exemptions from paying the commercial activity license and the first 2 years of business income and receipts tax only if specific qualifications are met. If you click Yes to Are you claiming new business tax status under Philadelphia Code 19-3800, questions regarding the requirements to receive these benefits will be displayed. Study these carefully and be honest about what your business will accomplish. If you choose Yes to claim new business tax status and you do not meet or fulfill the requirements, you will be charged all taxes owed, including interest and penalties. If you know you will not meet these requirements, just choose No to the first question, are you claiming new business tax status? To find out more about the new business tax status, refer to the City Code, which can be found at www.phila.gov. Refer to Revenues Regulations. Once you are finished filling out the tax types page, click on Officer at the bottom of the screen. Information for any financially responsible business officers and partners must be entered. You will need their Social Security number. After each entry, please be sure to click Add. Once finished filling out all partner and officer information, click Submit at the bottom of the page. You will now see a thank you page, which directs you to visit your email. When you go to your email, you will see your Philadelphia tax account number, registered tax types, and your Philadelphia Revenue Personal Identification Number, or PIN. Save this information as you will need it to receive your commercial activity license, pay, and file your taxes. Also in your email is a link allowing you to reset your PIN. You must reset your PIN as the one provided to you is only temporary. In order to reset your PIN, click on the link in your email. Under Online Services Home, you will log in using your tax account number and the PIN that was provided. Follow all instructions as they appear on screen. Once finished, click Submit and then review your information once more to make sure everything is correct. If everything is good, hit Submit again. Using your EIN or SSN and PIN, you may now file and pay your registered tax types, as well as change your account information online if need be. The email you receive will also contain information on contacting the Department of License and Inspections to receive any additional licenses and permits needed. It will also tell you if you did or did not qualify for the new business tax status if you applied for it. If you ever lose your PIN, follow the instructions to the Pay and File Taxes screen and choose Login under the Online Services Home on the left, and then Forgot PIN on the next screen. You have now successfully completed the registration process.